Thank you, Cam. It's already standing outside the Virginia Museum of Fine Art, but tomorrow the city officially welcomes its newest public art installation, sculpted by the same artist who painted President Barack Obama in 2018. Our Shelby Brown is live to preview the unveiling of Rumors of War tomorrow. Shelby?
Well, Julie, Rumors of War has found a permanent place to call home. It's right here behind me here in the RVA. It's nestled in front of the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts here on Arthur Ashe Boulevard. Now, this, of course, is Kehinde Wiley's response to the Confederate statues on Monument Avenue. This sculpture will officially be unveiled tomorrow. Folks all across the area are buzzing about it. This weekend at Black Iris Gallery, the crowd got to meet Najee Wilson, the man who actually inspired a part of this 27-foot tall sculpture. Wilson serves as the muse for Wiley's work. Now, the statue shows a young African-American man in street clothing sitting on top of a horse. Wilson is an artist and a designer from South Carolina. He says he's felt welcomed here in Richmond.
I think that the time that we're in right now is all about change. It's all about a transition into something new. We're shifting into a new space, and it seems like the city is definitely ready for it.
This is another live look here along Arthur Ashe Boulevard. You can see off in the distance some workers still preparing this area for tomorrow's big event. Wilson says that, yes, he will join Kehinde Wiley and other local leaders at this event tomorrow, including the governor and the mayor of Richmond. Tuesday's unveiling will be held from 3:30 to 4:30. That is a public unveiling. The Richmond Public Schools all-city marching band will take part. And then from 4:30 to 6:30, the party will move inside to an indoor reception. There will be live music and refreshments, and that too is free and open to the public. Working for you in Richmond, Shelby Brown, CBS 6 News.